Everysk Pricing explained what you get for your money. Everysk is an AI-driven investment analytics platform that provides portfolio simulations, risk analysis, and scenario planning. Many investors assume AI tools are costly, but Everysk offers scalable pricing for individuals and professionals. Everysk offers a free trial with portfolio analysis and limited scenario simulations. Premium subscriptions start at $99 per month, providing full access to AI-driven scenario analysis, risk metrics, portfolio optimization, and historical performance insights. There are no hidden fees, and users can test portfolios before committing real capital. Most people get this wrong by thinking AI analytics are only for institutional investors. The surprising truth is that Everysk makes sophisticated tools accessible for retail investors, allowing you to anticipate market changes and optimize allocations. For example, you can simulate how a zero portfolio might react to a 10% market drop, helping you plan risk mitigation strategies. In conclusion, Everysk pricing is clear and provides tremendous value for data-driven investors. $99 per month unlocks professional-grade analytics, making it a practical investment in smarter portfolio management.